Are you tired of feeling like your digestive system is running your life? The constant bloating after meals, the unpredictable bathroom trips, or that heavy, sluggish feeling that seems to never go away? These aren't just minor annoyances, they're holding you back from living fully. Imagine waking up every morning knowing exactly what to expect from your body. No more emergency bathroom searches or turning down dinner invitations, just confidence and comfort throughout your day. Meet Emma Relief, the digestive supplement that tackles the root cause of your gut issues. Instead of just adding more bacteria like probiotics, it helps your gut create the right environment for healthy bacteria to grow. This plant-based formula contains powerful ingredients like berberine, used since 650 BC to support gut health, and deglycyrrhizinated licorice, which creates a protective layer in your digestive tract. Emma Relief works by targeting methane-producing bacteria that slow down your digestion and damage your gut's nerve endings. Within days, you'll notice less bloating and more regular bathroom visits. By week 3, you can enjoy meals without worrying about the aftermath. And after 12 weeks, the customers report life-changing results. Regular, comfortable bowel movements, reduced food sensitivities, and even unexpected benefits like clearer skin and weight loss. Take back control of your digestive health and stop letting gut issues control your life. And with 90-day money-back guarantee, you have nothing to lose but your digestive problems. Click below to order Emma Relief today and start your journey to digestive freedom.